Alright, so that concludes Douchebag Deload Week, a week where I go into the gym and do whatever I want just because for funsies, yeah. I usually go in and just do arms on top of arms and with a side of arms because that is usually a lagging body part, but you know, this week I decided to have some fun with some pistol squats, weighted of course, and I tried to go up to like around 165 or so. I've done a max of 185, but you know, 165 was a little tough and it wasn't clean, so we'll just call it a day with that. And yeah, you saw a bunch of fails. Probably the hardest thing about a pistol squat is the balancing part. And then you went ahead and saw me do a one-arm deadlift, which I'm not a fan of because on the physical therapy side of me really looks at it like, you know, you have that rotation with flexion with side flexion. That's the perfect storm for a herniated disc, and you know, my back isn't always the best that it could be, but you know, I did it for the likes, you know, so go ahead and give this video a like. I know, as shallow as that was, it was just for fun. I don't wanted to see, because I see on Instagram, you know, everyone knows Bradley Martin, and of course he's a beast, and I wanted to see how heavy I can go. I thought I could go up to 405, but I never tried this exercise. It's really weird balancing the bar with just one hand. Grip wasn't an issue, just hook grip that bitch, so it was pretty much it was 365 pounds. So with my Asian math, if I can pull 365 with one arm, that means I can pull 730 with two hands. Yeah, that's logic. Bing! So let's just end the video off there. I pretty much did a couple of days of just, you know, douchebag work, doing some arms, doing some stupid human tricks, and it was just for fun to get, you know, because sometimes if you do this long enough, you're kind of just like, you know what, sometimes you just gotta do some stupid things to kind of spice things up, right? So, I mean, of course, I've been squatting, benching, and deadlifting for a good, I don't know, 10 years, so I feel like this is kind of the break you need. I mean, sometimes I almost think about, you know, going straight into bodybuilding, get super shredded and get really, like, you know, sponsored by Shreds. but then the logical side of me says that sucks, so I want to go ahead and lift some heavy ass weight. So let's just, like I said, end the video off there. Train hard, train smart, and get shredded.